Hello everyone, today we're going to explain how to schedule the Cisco exam CCNA. So here, let's click this button. Next, select the provider you want to take the exam with. For example, find Cisco here. Click to log in. Click here. Select the test center and exam code. For example, C3A, we enter CCNA and select 2003-01 here. Click here, then click Next. We can choose the exam language, which includes English and Japanese. We'll use English as an example here, so click Next. Click Yes here, then Next. Click Agree. Select the location of the test center. For example, let's take Beijing, China as an example. Here we can choose 1 to 3 test centers. Click Next. Some test centers may not have available slots, so choose according to your needs. Here I select this test center for this day. Choose the date and time you want to schedule. Click to book. If everything above is fine, then next we choose to make the payment. After the payment is completed, Cisco will send you an email. If you want to learn more about the details of Cisco exam content and the question bank related to Cisco certifications, feel free to send me a private message or leave a comment below the video.